Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the morning recording of IWM Alerts, where we take a trade within the first 10 minutes on IWM options as the market opens. This is going to be fun. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm going to jump into my Thinkorswim here and get the options set up. So we're looking at IWM, obviously, that's the name of the service, so that's what you'd expect. So just get IWM here. If we look in the channel right here, let's go here. David Alexander's already added the 199 puts. So let's put the 199 puts for 0 DTE into my trader, 199s here. So I'm just getting set up for the trade with my bracket order. So we only have 5 minutes to market open, which is a little bit tighter than I like. I'd rather give some commentary here. Let me just check my order here. I'm going to go up in contract size. Just 15, still staying small. 0.06 is my target. I will drop that down. It's been very volatile recently, and getting 0.05 has been almost a sure thing. Fingers crossed, don't want to jinx it. So now we're good to go with the 199 puts for today, and we're ready to go. Get rid of the purple line. You guys know if you watch these videos, I don't like the purple line. Get rid of that. And we've got the options chart here. We're ready to go. We've got 4 minutes to market open. Let me give my little spiel here. IWM Alerts. Basically, you can buy it here. I'll leave a link in the description below. It is one of the best services I've ever worked with, so I'm really excited about sharing it with you. And basically, it's a trade on IWM within the first 10 minutes. And you don't need to set up Thinkorswim the way I'm done with a bracket order. Some people do multiple bracket orders, some people just market in and out. But I'm ready to go here with buy market if needed. And then, that's all that's really involved in that. I would definitely check the service out though. It has a 95% win rate, and people are averaging 30, 40, 50% a month. I know one guy 5x his account in a month and a half, so it's definitely worth checking out. It takes a little bit of work like anything else, but it's a lot of fun. I'm going to hop into the voice channel with David now because he says here this is how it kind of works. We look at the pre-market notes and he puts all this stuff in. I don't pretend to understand that. It's quite more complicated, so I'm going to jump into the voice channel now that I have the 199 puts 0 DTE in my watch list. So we go to the voice channel, which is here, click on general, and here we are. So you should hear David talking very soon, if he's in here, which he is.
There in the 199 60 area. All right, cool. Thank you.
We usually give an audio check. Can you hear him? He's a little bit quiet, but can hear him just fine. Hopefully you guys can hear him. General chat, we usually do audio check. It's good.
And right now prices are steadily falling into the 198 area. So it's currently playing the middle profile or the middle distribution. Right at the top of that, 198.94 to 198.02 roughly. And steadily dropping. I don't like it because there's a nice now if we clear 198.72 and then retest it maybe to see if there's an imbalance in that, then maybe I'll take it. But I don't trust to sell in this price point. So I want to see us pop higher.
So it sounds like
Right
he
now,
wants to
that's
see
not
price
happening.
pop higher. Otherwise,
I
there
do
might not
have
be a trade.
200s, 199 and 198 in my watch list. With currently 199 in my active trader. If we were to drop the 198s and then see some kind of imbalance in there, it's possible we can switch to 198s.
So we want to see a pop higher on
Order
IWM, is
book
what
is
you're saying.
showing a lot of sell side delta, 199 flat, 199, 10, 20, 30, and 40. So that current buyer imbalance could flip with 37 seconds to cash. Again, I would want to see it happening though, because right now I don't like where we are,
This might be one of the
especially if we
first
continue to
days
fall from here.
where we don't actually get a
Yeah,
trade.
we pop back into 199. That'd be awesome for us. It looks like it's playing that buyer imbalance too. 10 seconds. Okay, so it just created a sell imbalance. 199 is in my active, yep, on pre-market. So we may switch to the, let's see if we get a pop first. All right, market's open now, 199s. I'm gonna switch to 198s because of that sell imbalance. Spread is too crazy for me to enter though. They need to update the spread. They did not update the spread, so I won't take that one. Okay, now they updated it.
Just ending the
They
198s.
updated it too late for me to feel comfortable getting into it right now. Let's see if we get a pop
So now I'm in the
higher
198s.
or retest because they updated that thing way too late
So pretty sure you said 198s. Let's check general chat.
and it's falling too. They just damn they updated that thing late. I didn't feel comfortable. I don't feel comfortable with that at all. Let's see if we can get it pop higher. If this thing falls without some kind of retest, I don't. The options ladder did not update fast enough for me to feel comfortable getting into it, which sucks.
Yeah, sounds like no trade.
That sucks. I'm gonna be patient and see if it pops up and give us another opportunity on that imbalance. Well, right now it's 197. It's still falling. Is without a test. All right, so there is. It's just dropping. I
Wow, look at this thing.
think we may have missed this opportunity because
Yeah.
the options ladder did not update. It was a crazy spread. I mean, it was showing $97 with a bid of 30. Ain't no way in the world. All right, let's see if price pops here. It's starting to retreat. But I would need to see something else. Right now, I feel like we missed the opportunity because of that. Oh, that sucks. I mean, that spread was what, $60? I mean, I know it would have updated, but I couldn't chance that. All right, we have a bit of a pop higher. Let's see where the bids land.
Hope you guys find this commentary helpful.
It's no indication of anything right now. $198 still, but I don't see a reason to jump into it. There was a big, okay, there's a big order there. That spread is crazy. I don't have 197s on my watch list. I don't like this at all. I don't like where we are. That fall would have been perfect. It's just the spread was just way too wide. All right. We got 37 seconds of this candle. We are at the top of the last value area that was created last session. Okay, so somebody took it. Okay.
Nice.
Here's the next 5 minutes. Okay, so we have a price bouncing a little bit with no interest there. All right, 190. I'm gonna switch to 197s just to because it looks like that's the play. All right, I'm gonna enter here 197 at $77 per contract. Yeah, they're not done. Seller's not done. Yep. Okay. That's some patience. 77 looking for 88. Hey, I'm sorry, 87. So looking for 87. All right, got 90. 93. Shoot. Move my stop. Okay. Looks like I may just get that.
Hope we get some more upward
77 was my
movement.
entry. 83, 87 was my half. I got that. Could be getting 97.
There we go. There we go. Phil, sweet. I got a horrible entry,
Yeah,
but
that's the
still
second
got the
5 minutes showed a big
perfect.
sell order that just came right in the
Perfect.
books.
I got a
Yeah,
horrible
I already
order
just
because it was right
finished
in the middle.
$20 per contract, and I
Sweet.
am out. Had to switch to the 197s. That 198, it looked really good, but the spread on my end on TOS was showing like a $30 spread. It's no way in hell I was gonna pay that. But just being patient, we caught the 197s down right on that second 5 minutes. A big ass, I'm sorry, a
Alright.
big, I don't mean to cuss, a big order, sell order came in right on the books, and that reaction was insane. I don't know if they're done yet because there's a huge buy order still sitting on the books at
Yeah, so this is where
196
this saved
flat.
me. I got in horribly slow there, but I got 0.93
It
to
just hitting his first
0.98, so my
sign
5
of
cents.
resistance too at
Um, that
197.40.
was that
It
was
looks like
terrible
it's
on
gonna
my
drop that.
behalf. I
So
shouldn't
you
have had
holding
that
something? I
delay.
think I just saw somebody message
Um,
flash that somebody was holding.
$75
So
profit,
let me
not too
double check to
bad.
make sure I'm. I like
This
to
is why I
double check
switched
to
to
make sure I'm out. Everything. Yep.
the
No
smaller
working orders.
amounts though, because
Sorry, I had to add that 197 the last minute
I haven't got myself set up for switching contracts very easily.
on
But
the
even
put
with my
side.
new system, it still works
And
to
there,
some
you're still
degree.
hitting that first sign of resistance at 197.40. Not to say it won't push through it, but you start to see some take profit in that
That's
area.
why I changed my take profit because
I really
I'm
like
getting
that
really sloppy with
198
the
though.
execution.
I was ready to push the button on it until I noticed the spread, and then right before the market opened at the 925 candle, there was a huge selling imbalance, which really made my eyes widen up. Yeah, but it's taking profit. 197.40, the bigger players took profit right there. First sign of resistance. Not to say it won't push through it, but that's what they're taking profit at.
The other people getting in way cheaper than me.
Okay, let me move over
0.84.
to you
I got
all.
0.93. This guy was
I'm gonna
out
watch this to see if it pushed through.
before I was in, or just
So we
after I
had to
was in.
switch to the 197s at the last minute. I had
I
to
think
add
it
that
was the
to my
switching
watch
for
list.
me.
Hopefully, I gave you guys
Look at
enough
all these
time to
people
switch
getting
over.
somewhere.
Jug 007. What did you play? A put 154 to 173. That's a hell of a profit. How did you play it? that bounce higher was that could have been like it was tempting to chase,
not good
but
for
you
me. I
never want
shouldn't.
to chase price. So hopefully you played the drop.
I shouldn't have made that
VWAP touched.
impulsive buy market
And I believe
after
you do
that
one
delay
minute
that I was
VWAP, right?
changing
Yeah.
contracts manually. It was
On
silly. I
my end,
should
I
have
do
checked the
5 minute
price
VWAP,
first.
which again, VWAP to me
But
is
it
not
is what
that
it is. Still
important,
made
but
money.
my VWAP was at 198.48. Nice. So Russell, I hope you're saying nice meaning you jumped into it. Yep, they took profit. I don't know if it's gonna run up, but they took profit. All right, spread 198 was like 2 cent at the open. Ooh, oh, that's interactive brokers. Yeah. If it was 2 cent on my end, trust me, you would have got into it and we would have made all of that profit down. And I really liked it too.
Yes, come and
TP hit
join
on
IWM
futures.
Alerts, even if you
Yep, no
mess up like me
worries.
two
Yeah,
days
that
in a
just had to
row.
be patient on the second one. I'm glad I was looking
Still
at the
made
order
money.
book at the time. That thing popped in and then my eyes went straight to the order flow and it dropped. And then within seconds, I know, right? Fire. 82 to 90, fire. Pine Q missed it. Yeah, it's hopefully I gave you enough time to switch. 84 to 92. Russell, did you catch it? I know you said sweet. Hopefully that means you caught it. Nice trade. Okay. Too hard to switch from 198 to 197s. It depends on your what broker you're using. It's pretty easy on TOS to switch from anything. Hopefully I gave y'all enough time. Yeah, it wasn't in my watch list either. I had to add it. And you can also, in your active trader, you can manually switch it by changing the 8 to a 7. 90 to 98, fire. Big ass D. That volume was insane. Investing teacher 81 to 91, 15-cent trailing stop. Okay. You may get stopped out soon though. That's fire.
Discord is
83
lagging
to
so much.
97.
Maybe I need to upgrade my
The
computer
only
for
thing
some of
about
these
trailing
trades.
stops is you never know how big the move is. Quick trade, fun thing, a few minutes before market open, the entry key on my keyboard was stuck. Oh wow. Oh, you canceled it. Oh, that's luck. You gotta have a little bit of luck on your side. Still playing small.
All these winners
Fire.
0.91 to 0.98. Green is green. I'm playing small until I've got this absolutely dialed in. Then I'll slowly increase. I'm not desperate for getting as
Okay.
much money as
83 in,
possible.
90 out,
I'm just
and then
going
you
to
sold
try
at
and get this
88, protecting
better
that
dialed
profit.
in.
That's all right. Protect your profit. I can tell you, and I know I've said it before, my worst days were okay, investing teacher, your last one got hit at 88. My worst days is when I made profit and I lost it all by not protecting it. Those are the days that made me sick, more so than just losing it, straight losing it. Okay. Yes, puts. Yep. Blue Devil, that means you made something. Okay.
It's a shame it's going to
Missed it by the
rise.
time you
Can't
said
keep
you
up.
entered. It showed 94 already. Okay. Oh wow. Yeah. Yeah. That wouldn't have been a good price because it's now 76. But there's I wouldn't say get into it now, but I don't look. Oh, they just hit a imbalance in this candle here 940. But I wouldn't play it because we have news coming up, and you don't know how the news is going to be. I believe we have something at 9:45 PMI actually in 2 minutes, so I wouldn't even touch the market right now. Sorry you missed it. 91 to 98, green is green. That's a fact. 82 to 90, then out at $1. Awesome. You got in at 95. Ooh, 95. I believe it went up to $1, right? So I see somebody got it at $1, so you could have been in profit. It's a bad fill. Small play again. Green is green. Texas Yeti. In at 80, out at 91. Fire. Hey, I got to run. Actually, I promised my daughter I was going to get her some Chris Brown tickets and pre-sale It's starting in like a minute, so I need to get in line. So I gotta get out of here. I will answer any questions later if you guys have any questions that come up. But her birthday is coming up on Thursday, and I promised I would get these tickets, so I need to get in line. Is there anything before I jump off? David, are the sellers coming in? It looks the sellers are still there, but they just hit a big buy imbalance just now. And plus, there's news, so I wouldn't even touch it. You have no idea what the news is going to be. I entered at 77, out at 87. So my first 10 was 87. I actually got some market slippage. My first 10 actually was 93. So some market slippage on my end in a good way. All right. I got to get out of here. I will answer any questions tomorrow. I need to get in line to get these tickets, but I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Any questions I will answer later this evening. All right. Y'all have a good one. Bye.
Alright, well, hopefully that gives you guys an idea. I really messed up that trade. I was in really late, but because I'm setting my profit targets to be very conservative, then I still made money on that trade. Again, very bad example for me. I shouldn't have been switching. I need to set up a watch list so I can switch between contracts like David's doing. I'll probably work on that today a little bit. My computer's also really slow, which probably contributed to my much slower price as well. But it looks like a lot of people did much better than I did, which is always really good. If you want to come and join us, just check out the page in the description below. I met David when he was making 47,000 in his first week of 25 this year, 2025 in January. He was trading just once daily, the same strategy, and wow, he was making that kind of money. So pretty impressive stuff. Come and join us, and I'll talk to you guys soon.